understated. It is a vital tool that significantly enhances the effectiveness of predictive maintenance strategies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a revolutionary technology that has the capability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. This allows it to identify patterns and anomalies that might otherwise be missed by the human eye. This ability to sift through complex datasets and make sense of them is what makes AI a powerful ally in predictive maintenance. Imagine a scenario where your machines are constantly monitored by AI. It's like having an incredibly smart detective on your side who can predict potential failures even before they happen. This not only prevents machine downtime but also improves the overall efficiency of the production process. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to learn and adapt. Over time, it becomes better at predicting potential issues, thereby increasing the effectiveness of your maintenance strategy. With AI, predictive maintenance becomes a powerful tool in preventing machine downtime in SMT production. In these few minutes, we have unraveled the potential of predictive maintenance and AI in preventing machine downtime in SMT production. Let's take a moment to revisit those key points. Firstly, we brought to light how machine downtime in SMT production can lead to significant losses in time, money, and resources. It's a problem that demands a proactive approach rather than a reactive one. This led us to our second point, the role of predictive maintenance. By anticipating potential issues before they occur, predictive maintenance allows us to mitigate the impacts of machine downtime, making the production process more efficient and less costly. Finally, we highlighted the significant contribution of AI in enhancing predictive maintenance. By learning from historical data, AI can make accurate predictions about potential issues, allowing for timely interventions. In conclusion, with predictive maintenance powered by AI, we can ensure smoother, more efficient SMT production, saving time, money, and resources along the way.